Okay, here we'd like to find, it says which of these, there's no options here, so really it is what. What is an equation of a line tangent to the graph of this fun function at x equals 3.25. Okay, so for the equation of a line, of a tangent line, we need two things. We need a point and we need a slope. Now, to find the point, we just need to take this value of x and plug it in to this function. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. F of 3.25 is equal to the natural log, the cube root of 3.25 squared minus 5. And we'll go ahead and plug this into a calculator. So natural log of the cube root, which I'm going to go ahead and just use the function that has the cube root here. Cube root of 3.25 squared minus 5. Okay, and so there's our function value, 0.572, 0.572, 0.572. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, the point that we have is the x-coordinate is 3.25, the y-coordinate is 0.572. And we also need a slope. And to find the slope of the tangent line, we are going to, of course, take the derivative. So we're going to need f prime. We need f prime of 3.25. Now, this is labeled here as equation of tangent line with a calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and do this in the calculator without actually having to find the derivative. So we're going to, in the calculator, go to math, and then we're going to do this option number 8, n derivative, or numerical derivative. And we have d dx of, and then we have our function natural log of the cube root of x squared minus 5. And we're evaluating that at x equals 3.25. Okay, so if I round this to 3 decimal places, that'd be 0.390. So 0.390. We have a point, we have a slope. So we're ready to use point-slope form of a line. So we've got y equals y naught plus m times x minus x naught. Okay, and we have all the pieces we need now. So y naught is the y-coordinate that we found, 0.572. Okay, plus m, which is the slope, the derivative, 0.390, times x minus the x-coordinate of the point, 3.25. Okay, now this is the equation of the line. This is in point-slope form. If we want it in a different form, like slope-intercept form, we can do that by simply taking this slope and distributing it into the parentheses. Let's go ahead and do that just so that we are comfortable with that process. So plus 0.390 x, and then minus this 0.390 times 3.25. I'm going to go and do that in my calculator. And I'm going to keep that non-rounded form times 3.25. Okay, and then again rounded to three decimal places, 1.266. 1.266. And finally, we can combine this number with this number. So we have our 0.390x, and then 0.572 minus that number there. Okay, again, I like to use non-rounded numbers in all my calculations in the calculator and then round them. So minus 0.694. 0.694. And there's the equation of the tangent line in slope-intercept form. So either this one or this one would be acceptable forms for the equation of a tangent line.